Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you how I do my home manicure. So first, I like to prep my nails and I like to do so by filing them. I like more of a square shape, so that's what I aim for whenever I do my nails and how I file them. You can go ahead and shape your nails however your little heart desires. Now that our nails are nice and filed, I like to grab a little washcloth of any sort and lay that down because we are going to do our cuticles next. Now what I like to remove my cuticles with is the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. Basically what you do is you put it on your cuticles for 15 seconds. I like to go in with a cuticle stick and just start pushing back my cuticles. That way it also extends our nail beds, making our nails appear longer, even though I like short nails. It's just my little trick. Then I go in with the cuticle nipper. I believe that's what it's called. And I actually like to go ahead and take my cuticles off. But the cuticle remover from Sally Hansen makes it so much easier for you to remove your cuticles. Wow, I said cuticles so many times. Okay, so now our nails should be free of cuticles and we are going to wash our hands off because we don't want any of that Sally Hansen cuticle remover to be on our nails, being that we are ready to now paint our nails. So what I like to use, I think it's called Esmalte Endurecedor para Uñas, and what this basically is a nail hardener. I've been using this for a couple of years now and it's the only thing that I find not only protects my nails but actually makes my nails stronger. Okay, so as far as the polish, I'm going to be using the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't know how I feel about it yet. I've had these bottles with me for a couple of years now, I think, or maybe like a year, and I still don't know. I like the finish of it. It does give you kind of like a gel-like finish, but I don't know about the longevity of it. I don't know, but I did want a white polish and this is what I had in the meantime, so that's what I used. As far as the top coat, I'm going to be using the Sally Hansen Insta Dry, and that's basically just going to dry up my nails, my nail polish quickly because I hate waiting forever. And I think it only takes about 2 minutes after you apply it for your nails to be fully dry, and that's why I love that product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if there's anything that you guys would like to see, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel, and again, thank you so much for watching.